السلام عليكم مرة جديدة. This is Abdullah Badr, your chemistry teacher, Oxford School's International Section, and this video is assigned for grade 11 SAT. Today is Wednesday, the 1st of April. Hope you all good, shabab, and you're all safe, inshallah. Today, inshallah, I'm going to continue as I told you in the last video. I'm going to do again and again and again redox reactions. But in today's video, I'm going to solve the question in a different way. So you could find which way is better for you guys to choose to solve the question. Either using the way I did in the last video, using ionic and net ionic equations, removing the spectator ions. It's all about which way you find easier. So today I'm going to solve another question: which one is oxidized, which one is reduced from an equation, but using oxidation numbers, inshallah. We have this equation Fe2O3 ثواني بس يلا حمل ما فيش ورانا شيء. Okay, Fe2O3 plus CO, carbon monoxide. We have iron, Fe plus carbon dioxide. And the question is, which substance oxidized, which substance reduced, what is the oxidizing agent, what is the reducing agent, and all other questions. So I'm going to solve this question by start finding the oxidation number of iron. شوف, iron is a transition metal, شباب. It's not a main group element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It's hard to find the oxidation number. So we're going to calculate oxidation number of iron. I did calculate it here for this equation. Fe2O3 صارت Fe. شوف, Fe is easy because it's a neutral atom, so the oxidation number is 0. But Fe2O3 we have to do 2x, because as we said in the last video, not the last videos, on the videos before, in how to find oxidation number, the element that the one asked about, you should not get it from the periodic table. So you just keep it x, 2x, because we have Fe2, so 2x plus oxygen is in group 6. So group 6 would have the charge of -2. That's why I did -2 times 3 equals 0. So when you solve this equation, you will have the oxidation number of iron +3. شوف, the oxidation number of iron here is +3. I'm going to write it here هيك بس عشان to explain what I'm talking about. +3 for iron. It goes to 0, no charge. So if you have the oxidation number decreases +3, كان +3 صارت 0, decrease in oxidation number, so this is a reduction reaction. One might say that, Ustaz, it's a clear equation, it's an obvious equation, so iron was bonded to oxygen and then iron is not bonded to oxygen. This equation, صح. It's easy to find out that Fe2, and this reaction is a reduction reaction because it's losing oxygen. But in the exam, no one is going to ask you guys, not all of the equations would have oxygen in it to find it easy. So I summarized oxidation or reduction reaction. The easy definition for reduction reaction: losing oxygen. Here we have Fe كانت معها 3 oxygen atoms, صار Fe. طبعا عشان نعمل balancing مش محد يقول لي وين أستاذ وين راحت ال Fe الثانية. Okay, so this is the reduction half. كان معها 3 oxygen atoms, صار معها ولا oxygen atom. So it's losing oxygen, the easy definition for reduction. بس الأحسن نحكي decreasing in oxidation number. Decreasing in oxidation number is a reduction reaction, or the traditional way of defining reduction is the gaining of electrons. خلينا نشوف the other half of the equation. Carbon monoxide صارت carbon dioxide. This is oxidation reaction, a clear, straightforward question. Oxidation reaction. شوف, the easy definition. We had only one oxygen atom with carbon. Then we have 2 oxygen atoms with the carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide. So using the easy definition, this is oxidation, Ustaz. The number of oxygen atoms increases. But برضو I will do it using the oxidation numbers. The oxidation number of carbon is X -2 because oxygen is in group 6. x minus 2 equals 0, then x equals positive 2. On the other half, CO2 again ثواني بس. اوكي لسه يلا اهي. Oxidation number of carbon is X, oxygen is minus 2, group 6 times 2 because we have 2 oxygen atoms, so the oxidation number of carbon is positive 4. So شوف, oxidation number increases from positive 2 to positive 4. This is oxidation reaction. So again, we summarized, or I summarized, let's say all the definitions of oxidation reactions. Oxidation is gaining oxygen, as we saw in the example, carbon monoxide صارت carbon dioxide. This is increasing in oxidation number, كانت positive 2 for carbon صارت positive 4, or using the traditional way of defining oxidation reaction, that is increasing in oxidation number due to losing of electrons. So if someone asks about the oxidizing agent and reducing agent, oxidizing agent as we defined it before, the substance that reduced, so the substance that reduced is Fe2O3, so the oxidizing agent is Fe2O3. Reducing agent, which is the substance that oxidized, and as we saw in the example, we have carbon monoxide. This is the reducing agent. Hope, inshallah, all of the ideas now are clear, how to find oxidation half, reduction half, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, which substance oxidized, using ionic, net ionic equations, using oxidation numbers, which way you find it better for you to solve. You could use it, shabab. It would help you, inshallah. See you, inshallah, in next videos. يعطيكم العافية. السلام عليكم.